Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's phrase of the day is the good, the bad, and the ugly. This phrase refers to all aspects of a situation, the positive, the negative, and the very difficult or unpleasant parts. It is used when describing something in a complete and honest way, showing both the good and bad sides. This phrase became popular from the Western movie from 1966, named The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. But today it is commonly used in everyday speech. Okay, so here are some example sentences. Let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly of working from home. It's convenient, but sometimes it can be lonely. Excuse me. She shared the good, the bad, and the ugly about her experience traveling alone. Buying a car comes with the good, the bad, and the ugly. Freedom to drive, high costs, and unexpected repairs. So the good in this phrase means the positive aspect of a situation, as you probably figured out. The bad are the negative aspects, and the ugly is the very difficult, unpleasant, or harsh parts. So give it a try. Try to use it in everyday English. You can use it with anyone. And please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your company. Bye-bye.